Oh, look. Look, look, look. First dandelions of the season. I only found a few in my yard. Look at that. So cool. I'm so excited for spring. Also, right here, I found some fresh yarrow. Fuzzy leaves. That is fresh yarrow. This is the best time to use yarrow. Not as bitter as the flower. You can make a tea. You can steep a tablespoon of fresh yarrow in a cup of hot water and steep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink the tea. Yarrow is excellent for the common cold, diarrhea, flu symptoms. You can also chew on a fresh leaf over a toothache, and that'll help ease the pain. You can also make a poultice from the fresh leaves and put it on a sore. It's great for healing wounds on the skin. Yeah, so far it's great to see the yarrow popping up, and dandelion leaves. I throw those in my salad. Bitters are excellent for your gut flora, so good time to eat that when they're first popping up in the spring. Yay, so excited. Oh, okay, so I was walking around and I came upon some young plantain. And this is actually the wide leaf. There's narrow and there's wide, so it's hard to see. That's plantain popping up there. You can see the seeds from last year. This stuff will spread like weeds, but it is excellent. That is an excellent herb to have grown in your herb garden, wherever. I just let it grow in my yard. Excellent to make salve for dry skin. I use it on my skin. I use it on wrinkles. I use it on sunspots. It's great for a lot of that stuff. There's Jack. Hey, what you doing? He's coming to see what I'm doing. Okay, back to the yarrow here. Yarrow is also an astringent and used to reduce swelling, so that's why it's great on a sore tooth. Also, you can make a yarrow tea and splash it on your face after it has worn or cooled, and it's great in reducing the pores also. There's a lot of great benefits to yarrow. Just do not consume a whole lot at one time. Do some research if you have yarrow in your area. Also, that plantain I showed you earlier, when it gets bigger, I'll show you how I make the salve and explain more about the plantain. It's a great plant also. That's it. Thank you. Minnow, what's going on? You guys want to go for a walk? Sure.